morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus, 5th chapter arithmetic progressions, exercise 5.3. In that 6 sums I have completed. I will continue with the 7th sum. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. Okay, so first we will write what are all the things given. So D is equal to 7 and A22 is given as 149. We are asked to find S22. Sum of 22 terms of the AP we are asked to find. So with the help of this A22 we will find A. Without finding A we cannot find S22. So for finding A we will use this A22. A22 is equal to 149. So this is A plus n minus 1. So n is 22 minus 1 into D is given as 7 is equal to 149. So here A plus 22 minus 1 is 21 into 7. 21 into 7 is equal to 149. So here A plus 21 into 7 is 147. 7 ones are 7. 21 into 7 is 147 is equal to 149. So A is equal to 149 minus 147. So A we got it as 2. So A is equal to 2. So now we will find S. So Sn formula we will take. Sn is equal to, since the last term of the sequence is given as 149, we will use that formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L or An. So here S22 we are asked to find. So 22 by 2 into A is given as 2 plus last term, that is An, is given as 149. So 22 by 2. 22 by 2 we can write it as 11. 11 into 151. 149 plus 2 is 151. So 151 into 11 is 151 plus this one. So 5 plus 1 6 1. So S22 is equal to 1661. So this is the sum to 22 terms for the given sequence, 1661. The sum is, find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and the third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So sum of first 51 terms. So S51 we are asked to find. Second term, that is A2 and A3 are given as 14 and 18. So A2, second term and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So A2 is 14, A3 is 18. So this is the thing given. We are asked to find S51. So this A2 we can write it as A plus D. N minus 1 is n minus 1 is 2 minus 1, that is 1D. So A plus D is equal to 14. So the same way here also A plus 2D is equal to 18. So if we simplify this A plus D and A plus 2D, we will get the value for A and D. Then we can find S51. So first one is first equation. We will take this as first equation and this one as second equation. So first we will write it as it is. A plus D is equal to 14. The second one also A plus 2D is equal to 18. So when we subtract this, when we subtract both, A will get cancelled. Here minus D is equal to minus 4. So D is equal to 4. So we got the difference as 4. Now A plus D is equal to first equation. A plus D is equal to 14. So D value here is 4. So A plus 4 is equal to 14. So A is equal to 14 minus 4. So A is equal to 10. So A value is 14 minus 4, 10. So we got A value and D value. With this we will find S51. So S51 is equal to n by 2. N is 51. N by 2 into 2 into A. A value is 10. 2A plus n is 51 minus 1. N minus 1 into D is 4. So we have substituted everything in the formula. Now we will find S51. So this is 51 by 2 into 2 into 10 is 20 plus 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. So this is equal to 51 by 2 into 20 plus 50 into 4 is 200. So 220. 51 by 2 into 200 plus 20 is 220. So when we simplify this, 2 1 times, 210 times. So when we multiply 51 and 11, 110 we need to multiply. If we multiply by 11, 51. So 1, 6, 5. So 5610. 5610. So yes, 51. Sum of 51 terms in the given sequences for the given question. 5610. We are asked to find yes 51. So yes 51 is 5610. The sum is, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. So sum of first 7 terms. So yes 7 is given as 49 and 17 terms. Yes 17 is given as 289. So we are asked to find yes n. Yes n we are asked to find. So yes 7 is, the formula for that is n by 2. So n by 2, we will take this as the first one and this as the second equation. So first one is n by 2 into 2a. A and all we don't know. So 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 49. Okay. So this is 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6d is equal to 49. So 7 by 2 into 2, we can take it common in these two terms. So balance will be a plus 3d is equal to 49. So this 2 will get cancelled. So a plus 3d is equal to 49 by 7. So a plus 3d is equal to 7. So this is the, when we simplify the first equation, we get a plus 3d is equal to 7. Okay, so the same thing we will do for the next one also. Second one is yes 17. So a by 2. N by 2, sorry, n by 2, n is 17, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, n is 17 minus 1 into d, we don't know, is equal to 289. So here 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 is 16, d is equal to 289. So 17 by 2, since we have 2 as a common term, common factor here in this, we will take 2 common, a plus 8d. So here 2 8s are 16, so a plus 8d is equal to 289. So here we will cancel this 2. So balance will be a plus 17 into a plus 8d is equal to 289. So a plus 8d is equal to 289 divided by 17. A plus this 17 in the numerator, will bring it here. This is in multiplication and it is in the numerator. We'll bring it here in the opposite side. It will become denominator. So 17, how many times 289? 7 7s are 49. 4. We will divide this 289 by 17. So 17 1 times 17. So balance is 119. So 4 times. So 7 4s are 20. This 9 is 7 7s are 49. 4. 7 1s are 7 plus 4 is 11. So 0. So 17 into 17 is 289. So a plus ad is equal to 17. So this is the simplified thing of the second equation. So first one is a plus 3d is equal to 7. Then a plus 8d is equal to 17. So we will simplify both this. So a plus 3d is equal to 7 and a plus 8d is equal to 17. Okay, so now if we subtract both, we'll get a will get cancelled So 3 minus 8 is minus 5D is equal to minus 10. So minus will get cancelled. So D is equal to 2. So D value is equal to 2. Then A plus 3D is equal to 7. So A plus 3 into D is 2 is equal to 7. So A plus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus 6. So we'll get A is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 2 we got. Now we are asked to find sum to n terms, that is general form, that is sum to n terms. Sn we are asked to find. So what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a. If everywhere if you want to write, you have to apply with this formula only. So write this. Okay, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here sum to n terms only we are asked to find. So n, keep it as it is. 2 into a we got it as 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So this is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus 2n. When we multiply this 2 inside, it is 2n minus 2 is equal to n by 2 into here plus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. So n by 2 into 2n. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So n squared we will get Sn is equal to. So sum to n terms of the given sequence of the given information for the given information is n squared. So Sn is equal to n squared. Okay. So with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.